Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add SEO, title and meta description in Hostinger Website Builder 2026. So actually guys, first you will need to make sure that you already signed into the Hostinger.com or hpanel.hostinger.com, and then just go ahead and click on the websites, the option that's located on the left side bar, and then just click on the websites list. Okay, so here I do really want you to locate the websites that you want to add the SEO, title and the meta description on, and just go ahead and click on edit websites. Then you will be forwarded into the builder.hostinger.com or the websites builder, so right here where you can add them. So right now just navigate to that page right that you want to optimize, the homepage, about, blog posts, products page, etc. So for example we go with the gallery page, and here just go with 3 points or 3 dots right here on the left side bar, and then just go with the general settings. So here you will need to turn that one on, and after that just go and click on SEO here. Okay, so right now I want you to go with that one or that specific page that you want to add the SEO to, and then just go with generate new SEO info, and you will have the assistance of the EI. Okay, or you can just go right here to the SEO title, and here just enter a clear descriptive title for Google search results, and keep it under 16 or 60 characters, and include your main keywords. Right, also for the meta description it's just right here, so you all need to enter a short summary for your page and keep it under 160 characters and include the main keywords naturally. Also make it clickable and appealing to users. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.